a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake.
You are out here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get out of my car now.
Where?
Wow.
I don't know.
It's over. Get out of my car.
Sir, it said... Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not me.
What?
You are not to yell at me.
9, 1, 1.
Do it.
I fucking will. Now!
You are facing
Get out of my car! I'm facing a fucking moron! Get out! Please.
You're facing...
Moron!
You're facing the... You have no right to scream at me?
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Where am I?
Yes! Get out of my big car! Uh-oh. Can you get her out of my car, please?
You should know you can go where you wanna go. I can take you there. Wildest dreams, put some faith